Hey guys, it's Chris. So in today's video, I am going to share with you guys my own personal wash day routine. It doesn't even take me 45 minutes from start to finish to wash, condition, and style my hair. And I figured I'd share that with you guys today. So if you've been on YouTube at all in the natural hair space, you've seen the 30-day detox videos, you've seen the no oils, no butter challenge videos. And basically, I did give that a try and I pretty much adopted that as my hair care routine. I'll include a link for the video down below, but basically, it's made a huge difference in my wash day. I don't dread wash day. It doesn't take me forever to wash my hair. I can still go on about my life. So I figured I'd share my personal routine with you just to give you guys some tips and pointers on making your wash days easier, stress-free, and giving you the results that you want. So first things first, let me tell you, I have no credentials. I'm not a hair care expert. I'm just sharing what I do. You can take what you want from this video. You may want to try some of these things. You may not. You may think it's stupid. That's okay. That's okay. I'm just sharing my routine with you. That's all I'm doing, okay? Do your own research first, you know what works for your hair. You know the hair on your head that comes out of your scalp. So having said that, let's get started. So I'm going to share my personal tips with you. Now, I do want to give you two disclaimers. I prefer to air dry my hair. When I sit under a hooded dryer or even when I diffuse it from start to finish, it does not come out the same. The shape of my hair does not come out the same. I don't like the results. Now, if at the end of the day, I wash my hair in the mornings also. So if I know I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to do it that morning and allow it all day to air dry. If at the end of the day my roots are still damp or wet, I will go in with a dryer and then blow dry the roots only, because by that time, it's settled. The shape is what I want it to be. I will wash my hair with shampoo once a week on a regular basis. And then on the third or fourth day, I'll do like a water only rinse or a co-wash. I don't even deep condition anymore, and that's again because I wash my hair, I condition my hair on a regular basis. I'm just saying, I'm not affiliated with Melanin Hair Care, and it doesn't even have to be the Melanin Hair Care mirror, but I'm gonna just tell you, an in-shower mirror is a game changer. So as you'll see in the video, my first tip is to get your tools together. So I have my shampoo, my conditioner, and then I use a leave-in and a gel. I know some people only use the gel. I have tried that. I do not like the results of gel only wash and goes for me, even with following the no oils, no butter thing. I prefer leave-in. I like the way it looks on my hair. I like the way it feels on my hair. And that's what I do. My leave-in of choice, my holy grail leave-in, is the As I Am leave-in conditioner, and as you see, it does not have a pump. So what I did is purchase these bottles on Amazon, and I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate code. Help me help you. What I will do, and I use this for travel too, but especially in the shower because this makes it so much easier and quicker. I pumped the leave-in into this bottle, and then I even did the same with my gel of choice. And I take these with me when I travel places, but my gel of choice is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. This is my holy grail gel. I've tried a lot of gels. I've tried the Kinky Curly Curling Custard, but I feel like that only works with the Kinky Curly Not Today. But this, I feel like, consistently works with any leave-in I use. I always get great results. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm actually almost out, so I'm gonna have to go get some more at Target. So that's my tip. Get your tools set up. I know personally I will use 2 bobby pins at the end of my wash and go as it's drying, just so that my hair will lay at like I want it to lay throughout the day. If you know you need clips, pins, pumps, brushes, all that, get your stuff laid out together first, because it's going to make everything go a lot smoother. I will apply the shampoo and sections to my scalp first, and I work from the scalp outwards. I do work out on a regular basis, so I'm trying to make sure I get all that gunk and build up, and then I will go back at the end eventually and kind of add some to the ends just to make sure. But when I wash my hair, I work from the scalp and work outwards down the shafts of my hair. Now, if you don't have if your shampoo bottle does not have like a top that'll make it easier to apply the shampoo to your scalp, you can just use this method. I don't section my hair for washing it also. I will section my hair later as I'm conditioning it, and you'll see that in a moment. So after I rinse out the shampoo, I will go and condition my hair. Now, I apply the conditioner from ends and squeeze it in upward to the roots of my hair. And this, I find, helps make detangling a whole lot easier. So I'll do that, and then I'll make sure I'm getting all the conditioner all over. I might let it sit for a few moments, and then as I'm rinsing it out, I will go ahead and put my hair up into sections. Now for me, I detangle my hair when I am applying my leave-in. I prefer the As I Am leave-in because number one, it's affordable, it's accessible, it's very moisturizing, and it has so much slip. If you haven't tried these two as a combo, the As I Am leave-in conditioner and the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic, I highly recommend it. So I apply this and then I'll detangle my hair from ends to roots, and by that time everything is super smooth. After I apply my leave-in conditioner, I'll go back over in pretty big sections and I'll add the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic and I'll work it from the roots to the ends. I do that because I don't want my roots to be puffy, so I'll work that in there pretty well and then move on to the next section. Even at the end, I do take a break. I'll clip my hair once I get to, almost to the front where my bangs are. I'll clip my hair to the side and go on and wash my face because this is a real wash day. I went to the gym right before this, so I need to wash my face, get all that sweat and nastiness off. And then I'll continue on because at that point I can kind of tilt my head back and keep my hair out of my face since I've just washed it. Now, if you know my current hair situation, I'll leave some links to those videos down below, but if you know my current hair situation, I'm very gentle. It may look like I'm tugging, it may look like I'm pulling, but we don't need any more hiccups. So I am being very gentle here, even if it doesn't look like it, I promise you guys. But yeah, when I get to the end of it, I'll put my bobby pins in where they are supposed to go, and that's it. That's my wash day routine. As you can see, we started at 8:58 a.m. and finished it, I think this foot, I just saw it, I think 9:37. So as you can see, we started at 8:58 a.m. We finished at 9:37 a.m. I was actually thinking it would take longer than that, especially because I had to direct my cameraman a little bit and give him some instructions. But I just wanted to share these tips with you, and hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of inspiration. Hopefully you were able to take away some of these tips. Also, having a mirror in the shower makes things way easier. Even if you don't use the Melanin hair care shower mirror that I'm using, any mirror in the shower is going to make it a lot easier. Now, if you're unable to do your wash and go in the shower, you can, what I used to do before I got the shower mirror, because that's really what was holding me back. But I would get out, I'd still section my hair up, and then I'd stand at the sink and kind of re-wet my hair as I applied my products. Now, the only thing about that is that the cleanup took a lot longer, which I hated, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So those are some options for you guys. All right, you guys, but that's it. As for always, thank you so much for watching. If these are some things that you already do, or if you're gonna try some of these things, let me know down below. And if I missed anything in particular, or if you have any tips to add to help us all out, even me, leave those down below also. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!